Hey guys, welcome to DG Makes Math Easy's multiple choice past paper questions review. It's our 3-a-day marathon. And how this works is that every weekday you'll receive I'll post a video with 3 multiple choice questions. And we will take it one past paper at a time. So today we'll be starting with the 2019 paper and you'll get your first 3 questions. The videos will be posted at 3 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. This 3-a-day marathon is, like a little pep up. Every day after school, you can come here and just keep your brain math refreshed, dare I say. All right, it's DG Makes Math Easy. This is where we are intentional about making math dimensional. Don't forget to check out our Saturday Night Live at 7 p.m. on Saturdays. But anyway, this is what we're here for, our first 3 multiple choice questions. Let's go. Okay, and our first question is pretty easy. And it says -3, we're squaring that, plus we are also squaring -2, and we're adding those answers together. All right, and we're going to need a little extra. -3 squared plus -2 also being squared. When you square a negative number, it's important that you know that the answer is going to be positive. So if I square -3, I get 9. And if I square -2, I get 4. And so my final answer is going to be 13, and that would have been C. All right, done. And we are going to move to our next question. Question number 2 says, what number, when added to 1 1/3, gives 2? And you can simply, some persons can do this straight off the top of their heads, and you just simply say, what can I add to 1/3? 1 1/3 to give me 2. You can also say, okay, that means if I subtract this from 2, if I subtract 1 1/3 from 2, then I should get my answer. But anyway, let's translate what they just said to us. Let's literally just write it down. What number, when I add it to 1 1/3, I add it to 1 1/3, let's call it x, it gives me 2. There you go. All right, so now we are trying to solve for x. We want to know what x is. So you're literally asking yourself, how could I get x on this side by itself? So I am going to subtract 1 1/3 from both sides. By the way, we could also convert our 1 1/3 to 4/3. That's fine. So now we'll subtract it from both sides. That's -4/3. Good. That's -4/3 from both sides. And now we have, that's 0. X is now equal to 2. I can write as 2/1 -4/3. By the way, if you need practice on how to add and subtract or multiply and divide fractions and algebraic fractions as well, I'm going to post a link below I'm going to post 2 links to 2 videos in the description below. All right, so I'm going to post 2 links in the description below to those 2 videos that I've previously done. All right, so here we go. We now they have different denominators. We want the denominators to be the same. The LCM is 3. And so you want this denominator to become a 3. You can do that by multiplying it by 3. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do also to the numerator. And this one is already a 3. It would really be us just multiplying by 1. So you don't have to do that. So now we have 6/3 -4/3, which gives us our answer of 2/3. All right. And I know some persons could have just easily said, okay, if I take away 1 1/3 from 2, you just get the 2/3. All right, some persons can do that. So our answer is D. As we go through these videos, guys, you can just easily, work them ahead of me, race me to the finish line, and then when we get to the answer, you check if yours is correct. And we will move to our next question. Okay, and this one says we have 11.1 being divided by 0.01. What do we do when we need to divide by a decimal? The calculator can easily do it from its head, but we have a way that we can use to do this. And the most important thing is do not try to divide by a decimal. So this 0.01 here, we need it to become a whole number. All right, we notice there are 2 decimal places, and we need to get rid of it totally so that this can actually look like just 1. All right. How can we turn 0.01 into a whole number by multiplication? We can multiply by, that's going to be by 100 times 100. All right, when you multiply by 100, as much as I hate to now say this, but it's an easy way that students remember. When you say in your head, say, when you multiply by 100, oh, just the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. Okay. All right, so you get the point. So for our numerator, it would have been 1, 2 places to the right, and we add a 0 there since there's no other digit. So it would have been 1110, 1110 divided by just 1, which means our answer is C, D, 1110. Where's my eraser? All right, that would have been our final answer. That completes our multiple choice nugget for today. It's our 3-a-day multiple choice past paper questions. And I do hope that you were able to understand. And if you should see these questions again, and we know they usually come, they usually repeat. So if you see these questions again, you should be able to do them. Don't forget to like if this was helpful. You can comment below if this was helpful for you. If you are new here as well to the channel, you can also let me know. All right. So it's goodbye from DG Makes Math Easy for today.